How to sublimate Cricut Infusible ink transfer sheet on metal bookmark. Cricut Infusible ink transfer sheet. Step 1. Grab the Cricut Infusible ink sheet with the pattern that you're going to use. Step 2. Next, grab the sublimation metal blank bookmark and peel off the protective film. Step 3. Line up the bookmark blank over the part of the design you want, then trim off the excess material. Step 4. Grab a microfiber cloth and clean the bookmark. Step 5. Turn on the easy press and set the heat settings at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Step 6. Place the heat press mat on the work surface, then place a white cardstock and butcher paper on top. Step 7. Place the bookmark with the white side facing the pattern and tape it down using heat-resistant tape. Step 8. Make sure to tape down the bookmark blank well and trim off the excess material. Step 9. Flip the bookmark around with the infusible ink backing sheet facing up, then place a butcher paper on top. Step 10. Grab the easy press and press it for 60 seconds as said earlier. Step 11. Lift up the easy press and remove the butcher paper. Step 12. Use a heat-resistant glove or wait for the bookmark to cool down, then peel off the infusible ink sheet. Step 13. Remove the tape, insert the tassel, and the infusible ink metal bookmark is done. Cricut Infusible Ink Pen. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, go to Shapes and select a rectangle. Step 2. Resize it to the size of the bookmark from the toolbar. Step 3. Click the color box in the Operations section, then change the color to white. Step 4. Now go to Images search and select a design to use and click Add to Canvas. Step 5. Select the image, click Operation drop-down and select Pen. Step 6. Resize the image and place it on the bookmark. Step 7. Now, go to Text, click Font drop-down and select one to use. Step 8. Type in any text you wish to, then click the Alignment drop-down and select Center. Step 9. Resize the text to fit inside the bookmark, rotate it and set its placement. Step 10. With the text selected, click Operation drop-down and select Pen. Step 11. With the text selected, click the color box in the Operations section, then select the black color that says Infusible Ink inside the bracket. Step 12. Repeat the same step for the other design element. Step 13. Once done, select everything, click the Align drop-down and select Center horizontally. Step 14. Go to Shapes again and select a square, then resize it from the taskbar. Step 15. Place the square on top of the bookmark where there's a hole. Step 16. Readjust the design. If you wish to select the square, click the Align drop-down and select Center horizontally. Step 17. Delete the square, then select all the designs and click Attach. Step 18. When you're ready, click Make It, select on Mat and click Continue. Step 19. Turn on Mirror, then click Continue. Step 20. Click Browse All Materials, search and select Laser Copy Paper, then click Done. Step 21. Go to your machine and insert the infusible ink pen into clamp A. Step 22. Place the paper on the mat, load the mat into the machine and start drawing. Step 23. Once it's done drawing and cutting, flip the mat and peel off the design from the mat. Step 24. Next, grab the sublimation metal blank bookmark and peel off the protective film. Step 25. Grab a microfiber cloth and clean the bookmark. Step 26. Place the heat press mat on the work surface, then place a white cardstock and butcher paper on top. Step 27. Place the design on the white side of the bookmark, line it up and tape it down using heat-resistant tape. Step 28. Flip the bookmark around with the design backing sheet facing up, then place a butcher paper on top. Step 29. Grab the easy press and press it for 60 seconds at 400 degrees. Step 30. Once done, lift the easy press and remove the butcher paper. Step 31. Use a heat-resistant glove, then peel off the paper and the heat-resistant tape. Step 32. Insert the tassel and it's done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.